Hey there, East Tennessee. I hope you have been enjoying this beautiful Friday that we have ahead of us. Now, it was a very cold start today with those temperatures still in the upper 20s to the lower 30s, but today has worked out to be a pretty good day. We're going to see those highs getting into the lower 60s, which is still a little bit cooler than some of the areas further to our south, but we're comparable with areas a little bit further up into our north. Now, the reason we have such warmth right now is for this high pressure that you see behind me. It's moved further over into our east, right along the Atlantic seaboard. And so it's bringing in some warmer and more moist air at this point. Meanwhile, we got some cloud cover and rainfall that's sitting up further into the northwest. That's going to track through the Midwest as we get into the next couple of days. So while that's happening, this high pressure is going to sit a bit further into our south. So it keeps a lot of that out of our way. But as it shifts further down south, we get that opportunity for some cloud cover. You saw a lot of it coming from your late Saturday now into your Sunday. But I think that's about going to be it. We're not really looking at much rainfall to come along with this. And over in the next 7 days, we're maybe going to get around 1/4 of an inch at most for some people that are further up into the plateau. It does look like some of these systems will trail just a little bit further down into East Tennessee, which is where our rain opportunity comes from. But we are needing that rain quite desperately at this point because drought conditions are exacerbated through the state. We're seeing up to 40% of the state under these extreme drought conditions, including here in East Tennessee, where we now are seeing that extreme drought pushing further up into the city of Knoxville. It pretty much cuts the city and the county in half with all of the west side under that extreme drought. So when are we finally going to see those rain chances? We're primarily looking around your Thursday at this point for that highest chance. It's going to be around the short waves that are going to move through the area, but it doesn't look like some of them reach further down south enough until we get into that point. But to kind of bring things back into what we're seeing right now, if you're going to the ball game on Saturday, you're going to have some great conditions. By noon kickoff, we're going to see those temperatures in the upper 50s, and by the end of the game, we'll be at the height of the afternoon, so temperatures will be in the upper 60s. I do want to remind you again that it is going to be a cold start. You can see here we get a temperature of 35 degrees on your Saturday morning, so bit of a brisk one. Make sure you layer up, but after that, temperatures just continue to rise into the middle 70s by the time we hit next week. Don't forget to turn your clocks back Saturday night, and then by Thursday, that light rain chance.